Hello my good friends, I'd like to welcome you back to our normal revision for Mathematics Paper 1, the year 2023. So this platform helps students generally to solve KCSE questions and to help them be conversant with how KCSE is set, however making KCSE easier for them. So today we are going to look at question number 16 that reads as follows. On the following Cartesian plane provided, solve the simultaneous equation y is equals to 4 over 3x plus 2 and 3y is equals to x minus 3. Now this one is a topic in Form 1 called simultaneous equations. It is under linear equations. So generally there are many ways to solve simultaneous equations. One, we have using elimination method, using substitution method, using matrix method, and now here we have using graphical methods to solve. So first of all, to start with, you are supposed to just construct a small table. Remember, it is KCSE and at big limit time, so don't go into big calculations. You're just going to draw a small table over here, and you give it axis as axis, and then you write your two equations. You have the first equation here as y is equals to 4x, 4 over 3x plus 2, and also maybe I just simplify this one. I divide here by 3, I divide by 3. If I have 3y is equals to x minus 3, if I divide here by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, it means that I'm going to have y is equals to x over 3 minus 1. So those are my two equations. Then don't give yourself too much work, as I was saying before. You look at the denominator, we have that both has 3. So I'm just going to give out a number that is divisible by 3. Therefore, for the negative, I'm going to use negative 3, then 0, then 3 for all the two equations. So let's start with the first one on my calculator. I'm going to press 4 over 3, then negative 3 plus 2. So I have negative 2 for the first box, negative 2. Then I'm going to replace the negative with 0. So here I have 2, and lastly substitute here. So I have this one 6. In the second equation, I'm going to take, it is negative 3 over 3, negative 3 over 3. Then the answer I have, I get I minus 1. So here I also have negative 2. Then I have 0 divided by 3, which is 0. Here I have negative 1. Then 3 divided by 3, that is 1 minus 1. Here I have 0. Yeah, so that is all I have. And this is how I'm going to fill now my table using the values I have. I'm going to start with the first equation. So if x is negative 3, then y is negative 2. So they're talking about this point. X is negative 3 because it's the x-axis, it's the y-axis. Then if x is 0, then y is 2 here. Then if x is 6, y is 3. X is 6, y is 3. If x is 3, y becomes 6 here, correct? Y becomes 6 right there. You can just read from the lines plotted that this one is a straight line. So using a ruler, I just joined the line and I realized that this is equation y is equals to 4 over 3x plus 2. Then now I'm going to feed in the next one. If x is -3, y becomes -2. They're meeting still at this point. And if x is 0, y becomes -1, this point here. And if x is 3, y becomes 0. From the look of things, you will realize that if you also join this point, it is also a straight line. So therefore, if you join the line, you write the equation. This is for the curve y, 3y is equals to x minus 3. So to solve simultaneous equation using graph, you just look at the point where they are meeting. All the two lines are meeting at this point. Therefore, I read on the x-axis, which is -3, and on the y-axis is -2. Therefore, the answer, I just say, x is equals to -3 and y is equals to -2. That is the right answer. Thank you very much. In case of any question, just post it down on the comment section.